Now, to get in the heart of a true 90s kid, I have Surge. Now, it isn't authentic Surge, but... Shut up. Yeah, so, other than that, on with the video. Now, you can see here that the N64 isn't turned on. First, we have to put a game into it. Now, what game might I add? Super Mario 64. A classic innovation, the biggest step forward in gaming history. Right, so let me just pull it out to insert it. All right, now the game's in there. Now what you want to do is flip this switch up. And if you see this red light, that means it's turned on. Now, all you need to do is just put a controller into it. Get your off-brand third-party controller ready. Play. So that was your tutorial on how to properly turn on this N64. Hope you had fun listening, and I hope this was helpful. You may see right here that your N64 is low quality. So now all you need to do is just plug a controller into it. This works, I swear. Screw it. All you need to do is just put a controller into it.